Hey Jackson, this is Steve from Legacy SEO Solutions. In this video, I'm going to just show you just a couple of things you can do to bring in more customers using the internet. At the end of the video, if you like what you see, let's chat some more in detail. If not, all good. Take the tips from this video and run with it. I just want to show you something real quick, man. So Plano Air Duct Cleaning. If you search for Plano Air Duct Cleaning, here's a couple of things that come out. All right, you got some ads, right? Some Google ads. You have this map pack. You have Yelp. And then you have a1airduct.com. This is your first like organic competitor, right? So if we take this website here, we punch it into this tool Ahrefs, we can see that this guy is getting 127 visitors to his website every single month, right? So how is he doing that? All of these keywords are in his website. So Google sees Plano Air Duct Cleaning on his website. All of these little keyword phrases are in his website. And you can see Plano Air Duct Cleaning. There's 200 people a month looking for Plano Air Duct Cleaning. So they're literally punching these words into Google search, and the first website that comes out is this guy's website. So of those 200 people, 127 of them are clicking on his website. Let's take another one. Dirty Ducks DFW. So Dirty Ducks DFW. Go over here. So Dirty Ducks is getting 60. All right, they're in the second position. They're getting 60, and they have 98 keywords. Same thing as before. Another way to get your website ranked up higher is to have backlinks. And what that means is these are other people's websites, right? Like Raw Ranked and Yellow Pages. These are other people's websites, and they are linking back to this person's Dirty Ducks website. So what that is telling Google is like, oh, Google, like all these other people are essentially vouching for this website, that it's a good website, that it's a real website. So if you get more backlinks, then you could get ranked high. Your website could get ranked higher in Google search. So yeah, man. So if you have the right keywords in your website and you have good backlinks that are linking back to your website, you can get a website that is ranked higher in Google, and that will bring traffic to you, and those leads could turn into sales and jobs for you, really. So so what now? So if you want to chat more, we could talk about this more in detail. My name is Steve Park. My phone number is 949-232-9682. If you want me to help you, I can walk you through this some more. If not, all good. I hope you can take this info and run with it. Have a good one. Thanks. Bye.